The beautiful model you will see featured in this video is Kimberly J. from St. Louis, Missouri. I rented an old Singer sewing machine factory from the World War II era to shoot. On the day of the shoot, the elevator broke down. I made 3 trips carrying my gear to the 5th floor of this old building. It was worth every step. We were able to capture the golden hour sunset in the background. We shot a fashion look with 2 different wardrobes and 2 different sets, as well as a lingerie pinup shoot. This warehouse in New Jersey is a fantastic place to shoot. And with all that out of the way, here's the intro. My name is CJ Tomlin. I've been a professional photographer for over 35 years, and I'm here to help you get better at your craft. You know what? Stay right there. Let me get some close-ups. Capturing the golden hour in the background is not an easy task. It takes discipline and planning. It also takes photography knowledge concerning exposure. But when it all comes together, it is a gorgeous thing. Once the golden hour was done, we moved on to another set and another outfit. Here we have a plain white set with a false window built into it. A simple fashion shoot with a simple set. But if you get creative, you can do more with this set than you think. For those of you who believe that modeling is an easy thing, this warehouse shoot should convince you otherwise. Kimberly was constantly taking breaks to jog around the studio with her jacket on, in order to stay warm. It was 30 degrees outside and 50 inside. Not ideal conditions for shooting with the wardrobes we were using. But thanks to Kim's moccasins and jacket, we made it through. Got some fantastic pictures, thanks to both Kim and the great location. The props we found were awesome. But now it was time to pack up and carry all that gear back down the stairs. Hey, CJ Tomlin Photography here. We wrapped up our photo shoot. We're sitting outside the factory in 32-degree weather right now, so we bundled up inside the vehicle with the heat on. And overall, I think it was a fantastic shoot. We're in an old factory. We did a lot of fashion stuff with the windows, and we had a beautiful sunset going on behind us. some nice city lights in the background, and then we moved on to some pinup / lingerie stuff, and we used some props that we found around the factory, and overall I think it went really well. How about you, Kim?
I think it turned out fantastic. It was a great photo shoot. We did a lot of concepts that are my favorite, and I really think that you guys are going to really enjoy some of the content that you see, especially with that green lingerie set. It was really strappy, really sexy, nice pinup look.
All right, so stay tuned for more. We'll wrap up the video and get it on YouTube as quick as we can.